Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube. And welcome back to William in Japan. Today is our 6th day of our journey, and we are on the way home. Let's get on the road. Right, folks, we're in Sapporo City and at the Shiroi Koibito chocolate factory, one of the most famous chocolate brands countrywide, I think, not just Hokkaido. Going to grab some sweets and head off to our ferry terminal. Right, see you in a bit. Right, folks, that was the Shiroi Koibito chocolate park. Pretty extravagant, if you ask me, but the food was great. Got my cookies as well. Okay, now off to Otaru, our ferry terminal. It's around 30 minutes to 45 minutes depending on traffic. Not going to use the highway this time, so see you when we get there. So folks, that's our ferry. And this was Hokkaido. 5 days of fun. Another day left tomorrow to go home. And then back to reality. Hopefully you guys get why I like Hokkaido so much. My editing skills aren't great, my commentary aren't great, but even though GoPro doesn't do everything justice, at least you guys get the hint of how majestic this island is. Alright, let's get on the ferry. お願いします。はーい。Right, back to Tokyo. Well, technically Niigata. Let's go. Back on Honshu. Alright folks, that was the last fuel pump that we need to stop by. We are almost home, just around 5 minutes out, and that concludes my 7-day Hokkaido tour. Aggressive bike? Yeah. Clip-ons? Yeah. Hard seat? Kinda. I think it's soft in my opinion. Of course you can tour on any bike you want. Just got to get prepared. Rest accordingly. Today is the 29th of July. I got this bike on the 16th of July with 2 kilometers on the odometer. Now it's at 3,413. So yeah guys, I did over 3,400 kilometers in 2 weeks, and that was a heck of a ride. This has been William. When I get home, I wash myself up, wash up the bike, clean up everything, and I have a good night's sleep. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.
유성화 말이잖아요. 팔을 해야